Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you secret egg location in the new Fish It update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the Fish It game app Roblox trading and city expansion update, you will find a new secret egg, and the egg is at the Fisherman Island. As you can see here, on the update log, it says a mysterious egg has appeared at the Fisherman Island. So first of all, go to the Fisherman Island, and I'm going to show you where you can find the hidden egg or the mysterious egg. Oops. Okay, from here, I'm going to go to this way. Okay, and go to this area, and then you will meet this big egg. And we can tap the egg, but nothing happened. I think this is for the next update. Maybe it will be Easter egg or something. But yeah, that's how you can find the mysterious egg at the Fisherman Island in Fish It game app Roblox trading update. Okay guys, and that's the mysterious egg location in the new Fish It update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.